Been a rainy day in Georgia. Hello, ladies. Hello, babies. Time to collect some eggs. I know the gopher thing says that we have got more winter coming, but I don't believe so because my hens have gone broody and they are laying really well. Hello, mama. Hey, baby. Hey, don't bite. Don't bite. We're not having babies yet. No biting. Quit biting me. I know you're a good mama, but we're not doing babies yet. They may still have some cold coming. Alright. That's a good one. That is the only two that they poop in. Oh yeah, we got some good eggs today. These hens are free range, so we also have a couple hiding spots out in the yard that I need to check. But not a bad haul. I'm telling y'all, spring is around the corner. Alright, mama. It's okay. It's okay. They love the winter rain, the rainy days.